iPhone 13 Pro Max? No, iPhone 13. No, 13 Pro Max. No, 13. Hello everybody. I just received these two beautiful devices. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max and Apple iPhone 13. I haven't opened it. I'm about to open them up and yeah, I'm very excited. I got this shareable on Terabyte and this one is 256, the red color. I like reds. Yeah, I'm about to open them real quick. Wow. Thank you, Apple, for sending me these two devices. Alright, y'all. I'm about to open them up now. Yeah, let's unbox it. Alright, what should I open first? Pro Max or 13? I'ma just open iPhone 13 Pro Max first. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Alright, that's it. Yep. Alright, guys. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wait, the Apple logo not even visible. Where's the Apple logo? Oh my gosh. Oh, right here. Oh my gosh. This looks beautiful. A totally different color that I never owned an iPhone like this before. I'm about to break this shit up, but okay, let's turn it up. Oh my gosh. The speaker on top looks different than what he had before. Yeah, we see like the little bigger cameras on the back. People saying like it's like DSLR quality camera. It's got like cinematic mode or whatever. You know. Wow. Wow. So this iPhone feels heavier than iPhone 12 Pro Max that we had before. Yeah, definitely heavier. Alright, I'm gonna open the iPhone 13 now. Let's see what do you have on iPhone 13. Okay. Man, these plastics are just kind of boring out. I feel like I'm making this video a little boring, but alright, I'm gonna open the iPhone 13 now. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Wow, my favorite color, red. You know what I'm saying? It always looks better than any other color. Yeah, to me it's like the best color, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna box it. Alright, let's turn it on. I can see like 3 bigger sensor. Yeah. Alright, wow. So we have a little NOS, a little improvement on top. The skin definitely looking better. Cause you guys know like I always prefer Samsung Galaxy display. Because Samsung is like known for like display company, Both phones looking really good. I'm gonna set it up and I'll see you guys soon. Alright everybody, I just put my iCloud on the 13 Pro Max. I'm about to open it. Yeah, it's already set up. Good thing like when you use Apple device, it always allowed you. Alright, also shout out to Pen. Shout out to Temple House. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's take a look. The phone is being advertised as like the best camera. I think video camera they say. Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright. Wow. Oh, here's the camera for setup letter. Oof. Oh my lordy. Look at it. Wow. This camera is definitely closer to like a DSLR quality cameras. Okay, I see the sensor popping up. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful phone. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna make like a lot of videos using this phone. Alright, let's see what you have inside. We have one cable and the stickers. So that's it. It doesn't come with charger. I think it's a terrible idea, like why they're not giving charger with the phone, you know what I'm saying? I just don't like it. But let's check the cinematic mode. Alright, I see here cinematic. Man. Okay. It's not actually that great. You can't even believe it because my Galaxy camera looking better than this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yeah, definitely the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has more better camera than this one. But I gotta do like some daylight pictures. Alright, so this is the cinematic mode. Okay. The rock. Alright guys, I'm gonna check the iPhone 13 real quick. We're gonna see like, yeah, it has also like cinematic mode here too. Yeah. I think the main difference between these two phones is like Pro Max definitely feels a lot heavier. It's like more premium, you know. I think both are amazing phones. So if you have like kind of lower budget, then go for iPhone 13. But if budget is not a problem, then definitely go get it, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. You know what I'm saying? Both are the best phone right now in market. The alternative gonna be S21 Ultra or S21. Galaxy is amazing too. Like Galaxy is also my favorite phone. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.